Most buyers use the home inspection as a tool to renegotiate price. The buyers who get the best long-term outcomes use it differently. Hi, I'm David.Lenoir with Coldwell Realty. The inspection process is one of the most misunderstood parts of the real estate transaction, particularly in a market like Greater Boston, where inventory is tight and sellers have options. Here's the standard approach. The inspection surfaces issues, the buyer submits a repair request or price reduction, and the two parties negotiate. That's how most people think about it. The problem is that this approach treats the inspection as an adversarial event, and sellers read it that way. A long list of repair demands, regardless of their merit, can damage the goodwill that was built getting to agreement on price. It can make a seller defensive, and it can sometimes unravel a deal that both parties actually want. Here's a more effective framework. First, distinguish between deal breakers and negotiating points. Major structural issues, material system failures, or safety concerns are legitimate reasons to renegotiate or walk away. Deferred maintenance items that were priced into the offer are not. Conflating the two weakens your position on the things that actually matter. Second, quantify before you ask. The HVAC system is aging is a subjective statement that invites a defensive response. Replacement cost based on two contractor estimates is $12,000, and we'd like a credit at closing is a concrete business proposition. Sellers respond differently to specificity. Third, consider what you're optimizing for. In a market with limited inventory, a seller who feels respected is more likely to close smoothly, show up to closing on time, and not create problems during the final walkthrough. A deal that closes well is worth more than a $3,000 credit that damages the relationship for the next 45 days. The inspection process used strategically is one of the most important tools in a buyer's toolkit. Used as a blunt instrument, it often costs more than it saves. I'm David.Lenoir with Coldwell Realty, and if you're navigating a purchase and want a more strategic approach to the inspection process, I'd be glad to share how I think about it.